So this photobook set is called Love Letter by Fansite Xian Ai on Weibo. First one, we got a DVD. This DVD contains of performance videos of Xiao Zhan from 2019 to 2020, but I apologize that I cannot show you the videos because I think it is exclusive, which you cannot even repost on anywhere else other than Weibo. And this is a Deskmat. I forgot the exact size, but the color is very soft and it's very cute. I really like the material. And then this one is a tote bag. Not really, but it is very unique. It's a fan. Yeah, it's a fan. So I'm going to show you on how to fold it so you can bring it anywhere, like a travel size. You can actually slow this down to make sure that you do it correctly. And then a band-aid. So here's an acrylic standee. If you're going to put it on the shelf, don't forget to take off the cover first. Postcards of the shots taken by the Fansite and some by Xiao Zhan official too. And these are the A4 size posters. I don't really like the material because it is very thin, and if you don't put it or keep it correctly, it can be folded easily. Folder. You can keep your posters here. And then banners. And next one, the Photobook. It is very pretty though. I really like the color, and please don't mind me, I don't want to damage the photo book and even the plastic, so it took really long time for me to unwrap the plastic. The cover is not a hard cover, it's more into soft cover, but it's made of a hard art paper or art carton, so it won't be folded easily. I really like it. Total of pages, it's about 160 or 180, since I remember the Fansite added more pages and more photos.